Hello, I'm your friendly neighborhood Brady, and I am going to react to, once again, more FGTEEV. They're always full of surprises and nice things to react to. Don't mind that thumping sound.
The library? No, Seek! What just happened? Move out of the... Why? This is so different! What do you mean? What was that? Stop FGTEEV. Today we playing a bunch of butt door games.
What? No, seriously, what?
God, not that kind of butt door! We're talking about doors but bad, doors but very bad, doors but funny, and doors... but budget?
Looks like he's gonna be playing a lot of different doors today.
Dang, not a butt game. But I feel so gross after looking at a butt door. Gotta cleanse ourselves, you know what I'm saying? Let's go, we're getting clean, baby. Yeah, oh, whoa! How do I stop this? Oh, God.
Why is he in a washing machine?
Is it good? I'm probably good now. Oh, my, look at that.
The sunny, beautiful, goodness gracious, look at that nose. It's like a whole pickle.
I'm Pickle Rick! Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right, we need a tornado back to doors though. All right, first up, we're starting in doors, but very bad.
So basically garbage. Okay.
We're gonna try all these and we're gonna see which one is the best, so don't go nowhere.
I'm watching you.
All right, if portals don't work, use this. No, let's try the portal. All right, so we just pick one, boom. Oh, it worked. Hey, I'm in the elevator. Oh, here we are. Boom, got the key. Check me
Okay, so far doesn't seem too bad.
out. Open up. Yeah, all right, cool. Can we check the drawers? All right, so the drawers don't open. How about here? Can we hide? All right.
Okay,
whoa.
good.
Oh, that is clever. When you hide inside, it grants you
The little bubble thing.
Can't open up anything. What? Dude, look at my... Did my head just glitch?
We finally get to see his real skull.
I lost track of what door I am. I think I'm like door 9, 10, 11,
Too bad they don't number the doors. Nah, that would be too much detail.
12. Nothing's happened. 13, 14, 15. This is so easy.
You're telling me the ambush and rush just stay stationary in the corners? That's just ridiculous.
I don't even have to look behind me, cause alright,
I'm not feeling good because nothing's happening. All right, oh, something. What's this? What?
This is supposed to be the Seek chase? But there is nothing chasing you!
Does the fire even kill you? Oh, it does. Look at
But hardly.
the hell. Like, what door am I at? There's no Seek? Seek's like, oh, shoot, I'm late for work. Oh, my gosh, there's just two spastic people. What is happening?
Try to use the stairs.
I can't.
Hey, look to your right.
Trying to jump up there, and this is what it's doing.
I said look to your
I'm
right.
learning dance moves. I'm like becoming a ballerina. Is this supposed to happen, bro? Wait,
Do
fourth?
stairs.
Wait, what? This is the library? What? The second equals 3?
They didn't even... It's just text.
The first is 2, so 2, 3. Oh, here's the third. All right, so 2. Now I'm all confused. All right, so first.
Man, this game's scrambling his and my brain already.
2, second is 3, third is 2, so 2, 3, 2, and fourth is 3. I already forgot! Dang my brain! Do you remember?
No. I don't know what any of this means.
2, 3, 2, 3. Don't forget. 2, 3, 2, 3. Yes, I remember.
It's 2, 3, 2, 3 if you don't remember.
2, 3, 2, 3.
Enter. No one else knew that. Don't tell me you've been waiting.
I like turtles.
This kid is like, what do you do? Now we're outside. Okay. Oh, yes. Finally, we got some action. Let's go. What the heck is that guy?
Oh, it's a mystical tree, but I don't know anything about
Here,
it.
wait, did that look like Shrek, though?
Nope.
All right, here we go. Come on. Dude, we're going to get to door 100 fast. Exit. Okay. What's out here? Oh, key. Okay.
I find it funny how there's just glowing yellow keys in games like really high contrast keys.
Okay, and sorry, Figure. Figure's late for work too.
Dude, today was my day off.
And
Man, turns out none of the entities want to harm this guy. He's too powerful, that's why.
really? I did all that and you're gonna try to hit me with a ball, bro? I don't think so.
Ball.
I won.
You die when you beat it. Okay, next game, please.
It's very bad. It's true. All right, doors on a budget. What is this? Why are we outside? What? I'm Russian now.
I'm in heaven now.
Hey, all right. Whoa, what's happening in here? My gosh, it's loud.
Oh my god, what is happening? Is there an explosion and an earthquake happening?
What is this? Roblox spider? Come here.
What is happening? This place is chaos.
Come here. Okay, so this doesn't look like a budget. Look, when I look down, my head goes down. I look up, my head goes up. The map looks beautiful. Oh, wait. What is this?
He just got swallowed into the void.
Wait, am I going back outside? What the heck is this? Ah, this is where we come to learn about the coolest star code. Right here.
But where do I put it in?
Let's go in here. This doesn't really look like budget. Like, you can't put a space between read and Y for ready and pretend that that's budget. That just means illiterate. Hey, you're looking at...
Ah, great. Of course the elevator broke. The reason why I'm not really scared is because I wasn't, like, staring straight at it. If I was like this... Okay, I'm pretending like you can see it, but if I was, like, facing, like, really close, that would have been scary, but I'm, like, leaning back, so that wasn't really scary.
What the heck? Pre-run shop!
I can't hardly read what that says. Rune sheep? I don't know. Oh, no. Pre-ruck... Soap. What?
Later!
He's coughing.
Confirm I don't have sciatica. Why is it door? What's up with these sound effects? This doesn't feel like budget. It feels just like it's doors but badly developed.
Yeah, because it sounds like an earthquake is happening every cutscene.
So far, that's a better name. What's... Okay, here we go. Whoa. This is scary, guys. What the heck is that? That's how you ring the doorbell? Like, look at the bounciness to it. This is good. This doesn't feel like it's budgeted. This feels just... This feels good. Hey, what was that? What did you guys just eat? You know what? I'm sort of regretting playing with people. All right, now I'm in front of them. What's...
Yeah, because it sounds like explosions are happening.
Okay. No. Oh. Get it!
That wasn't rush. That was rouge.
Is that it? Did I do it? What the heck? How do I get out? Let me get out! I won? What
Stare. What?
the heck is...
The Tempur-Pedic Breeze makes sleep feel cool. Because the Tempur Breeze transfers heat away from...
That orky
What do
pillow's
you-
the best.
What are you doing to your head, buddy?
Smells.
You trying to make your head smell your own fart?
That's
Okay,
weird.
so I guess Rush just came by and killed me. And this, I died.
Yeah, you look like a blob of fur.
I'm in heaven now.
I was gonna
Why did that dog just talk? What?
say, I'm impressed. This doesn't feel budgety. I'm in room 28, 29, 30, 30.
Okay, at least it labels what these rooms are.
Like what? Like watch, this room should be 31, but it didn't even change. Okay, hold on. Let's go see what happens if it changes into this room. Still 30 rooms. It hasn't even changed.
What?
30. Oh.
Oh, Roosh! Roosh!
What? I just met Jack. It's good though. I'm still
That's not Jack. That's my dog.
alive. If I spoke too soon.
It sounded like he just burped.
Thank you. Now,
I'm in heaven now.
Why does that dog keep appearing?
my beautiful face just sniffing the carpet. Apparently, my name is Lalo.
Yo soy Eduardo, but you can call me Lalo.
Oh yeah, revive.
1 Robux. Really? 1 singular Robux. If only that's how much it costed in the normal doors.
1 Robux? What do you mean? Wait, am I even running the right way? Wait, what's happening? I don't know if I'm the right way.
Someone just farted a lot.
Who just farted?
What? Oh, that must be ambush. Wow. That's why ambush is green. Ugh.
Why is it making that sound? This is not a budget. Good job. I gotta be quick.
This is more like doors, but it hurts your ears every 2 seconds.
I can't. What just happened? Oh, we must have made it to the library.
Oh, he just got sucked into the darkness for the 2nd time.
No, Seek. What the? No way.
That's just this guy with his... I don't even know.
Ah! Wrong way. It started me on the wrong way. Oh gosh, wait, which way?
I'm not even good at the real Seek chase. This thing just seems harder.
Hey! Which way? This is so different! What was that?
Eyeball Man ate him.
Let me revive again, bro. Come on. You'll let me do it? No. Come on. Why you gotta be like the real game? I wanted to make it to the library. We're at room 44. I'm coming back to try that. Stay tuned. Don't leave the video. But before we do, we're playing Doors But Bad. All right, here we go. And 1 person limit.
This is, single player. I get scared even with multiplayer in the real doors.
Bye-bye. Open that door.
Newbie
That
doing
sounds like me.
beyond
Listen.
sound.
That's a little that's a
That sounded like something from My Singing Monsters.
It's better. Hey, how did you get here? There's no keys. The doors open automatics. Okay, I like it. Excuse me, sir. I don't want to play with you. I wanted to play by myself. Can you open the doors? Oh, you can open the doors in this one.
Okay, but it doesn't seem like there's anything in the drawers.
Couldn't do that in the others. There's eyes already?
Yeah, no, I've seen multiple people play this, and like on the first 5 doors, you get chased by Seek.
Oh gosh. Ah! Holy cracker jacks! I was not expecting that. Okay, this is Seek-a-Leaks. This is Seek-a-Leaks' room. Is he still behind me? I'm afraid to check. I'm afraid to check. I'm not looking. I don't have time to die. And then as I die. Okay. Oh, I'm still alive. Nope, I'm not. What the heck?
I'm in heaven now.
This time
Why is that dog heave appearing?
I won't speed down right here. Oh, I was like, he doesn't come
Go,
in this
go,
one,
go,
but he
go.
does.
Yes.
He does.
Wait, I just realized I could add some music. Phew, I think we might be getting into something. Now for the 2nd time, let's go for chase music. No, it's actually the same thing. Silly. Yeah, now we're rolling.
Oh my gosh. Now we got this. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling healthy. I feel like I just ate a green smoothie. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. No gosh, parkour. He ain't gonna make that. Do it. Yo, that's it. So what door am I at? Am I like 30 already? Yo, let me get to the library. Oh no. Is that how?
Hide! It's
You
Roosh.
tell me that somebody coming? Is he gone already? What the heck? All right, we did it.
I can do that. No, that sounded too much like figure.
Oh, already?
Swell. Speak of figure.
Is he coming? Okay, yo, we're good. This is good. I don't know if he can hear me. The AI is probably not that good here. All right, book 2.
Yeah, he kind of just walks in random directions.
3 is a star. 7 is a thing. Nah, dude.
I'm not good at the library. I've never been there in the game. I've never made it past Seek, but But I do know that this seems really complicated.
Dude, hold up. Stop, he coming. Will he get me? No! Oh, gosh, he's there. He doesn't even mess up.
That was goofy sound. I want to figure out where to get that goofy sound and put it in my video.
He just like dives towards it. There's probably a pool at the bottom.
Okay, that would be pretty fun.
Yeah, he's dumb. Croc! He heard me say that! Nah, he's not that smart. Yeah, he's not.
Yeah, no, he just kind of walks in random directions. He doesn't actually chase you.
Following. Dude, the Pentagon is 1! I'm thinking about the Pentagon is 1! Alright, then we got 9 is a 5, 6 is a circ. Wait, where's the paper? The paper's down there is...
Why did you say circ? Just say circle. Like how in the show I was watching we said brekkie. Just say the full word.
Isn't it? Oct, star, circle, square, 5, pent. Does he come to the code?
Just say the full thing.
He does? Yo, that's evil. Square is... Move out of the way! 2,
Oh my god, he just turned mad.
3, 6, 6, 1. Enter. There it is. Go. Whew, lock the door. Nope. Get inside. Shut the door. Shut the door. Is that ambush? Hey, I don't die though.
You're telling me you know when someone's lying?
Every time.
So the friend's in there.
Yes, I won. Hee hee. No! Oh gosh, you just stayed to the side. That's lovely. Where am I? Why am I sitting? Don't sit! What the heck?
Ah, Timothy!
Oh my gosh. Timothy. All right, we're zooming. Let's just zoom past this.
Timothy.
Uh-oh, why'd it stop me? Dang! No, not again! Not again! Ah! How do you? Whoa! Ah! Dude, yeah!
I'm glad he, like, biggened up his, like, health bar so we can see, like, how much health he got.
Holy, I'm too fat for that! What the baby and yellow hole in the wall garbage is this? Stop! Stop! Yes!
I like how it plays, like, a different theme. It doesn't play the original, but it plays like this. I don't know if that... I think the original music's better, but that does have a kind of beat to it, if you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, no, shut the door! Oh my gosh, it was a track! It was a track! Yeah, he going, fall again, pal. Fall again, doofy.
Uh-oh. Spoiler alert. He looks down and makes it the gap this time.
No! He's gonna jump! Dang
What did I tell you?
it! Dang it! There's actual hands! Nah. I quit. That was good, but I quit. Good, I
That's how it feels to make it far in the original Doors and Die.
got a lot of screaming. Doors were funny. I hope this is funny. Already
It's littered with memes.
funny. Listen. Okay.
I know, it's overly funny. It's just hurting my ears.
I like funny. I can do funny. What do you mean?
Oh yeah, amazing! Yes, with the dog doing tribe spreads.
How did I hop up on the wardrobe? And what's up with these big old... Man, that's a booty.
Okay.
Stop with the butt doors.
Why does this sound like a cow chainsaw?
Okay, that's weird, because whenever my parents heard that sound, they also said it sounded like a cow chainsaw.
No, I'm keeping an eye. No! It's a neck spot seek! Just stay off to the side. He can't get you. Thank you, troll. Oh, man. Thank you for sparing my life.
Well, now we know. Just stay to the side in a bad Roblox game, and you can live forever.
Oh, get in! Wait, how are we both hiding? You're not even hiding in the wardrobe.
Well, there goes The Rock Johnson.
The Rock? You didn't even hide. Oh! There's more than one. The Rock is ambushed. That was the Moo chainsaw. Okay, oh, this is the library? I don't see.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Figure's a cat. He's literally a pink cat.
What is this? It's a next spy? No, it's a kitty cat next spy. Ah, it's coming. No.
One boring number collection session later.
Okay, I'm glad you didn't go through this like a third time.
Okay, that was actually kind of funny. I wasn't expecting that to be Screech. Somebody's coming. Nope. Yep. Dang. That's the eye. Okay. I feel like it's not even gonna be able to get me right here.
Run! Run! It's trolls!
Booga booga booga! Why are you
Run!
staring at me? Oh, he teleported. Now he's staring at the door. How?
Wow, turns out his hitbox is the size of Earth.
How? What do you... Star code FGTEEV? Yeah!
Yeah, but... Where do I put in the star code?
Thank you. It was kind of funny. I kind of like that. But as promised, we are getting to the library. Wow, Dad.
Stop saying library. Say a library. Plus, you've already got there like 3 times.
It's a long way down. Whoa! Oh, seriously! No way, seriously! Okay. What?
Why do you straight up do dance?
Oh. You see, I just yeeted that door, bro? Oh, yeah. Look at this. See, this is
He's Kool-Aid man.
why sometimes you don't want to play with other people, because you don't get to experience the cool.
He really is destroying these doors.
Stuff like that. Ah! Dang!
Did he just cough out a corn on the cob? What?
Dang, the health meter. What's this? Well, that's a lighter? What the? Okay, that's what that guy took before. I thought it was a sponge cake. What's happening? Oh my god! That's why the rooms went up so fast before. What?
He literally made an infinite staircase out of those doors. He literally created a staircase out of doors. I never thought he would do
The
that.
heck? Down here? I'm a pro without even being a pro. Dang it!
It's Roosh! Hi, it's Roosh!
Get out! No! Cecil's just staring at me like, Daddy, you're dead! Revive. One Robux.